Everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve feedback on WhatsApp. To know how to fix or how to solve feedback, you should just go to settings. Here you click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of WhatsApp and you click. Here in this list you will enter to force stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you can just go to Play Store, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.